Armin Lavilla. Thank you for joining us today. I see you have some wonderful items in display. I am a scuba diver. Are you a scuba diver?
Yes, me too.
I love to go on high dives. So can you tell us a little bit about what you have to bring to the healthy and sustainable lifestyle that Lohas provides?
JB Sports is the official sponsor of Aeropic in the Philippines. We have partnered with Aeropic for 15 years, and last year, JB Sports has celebrated its 50th anniversary. With this experience, we are really in a gear up with supporting the sustainability and health for Lohas advocacy by giving it quality gears, eco-friendly gears like the Aeropic that we have right now.
Yeah, and it's also fantastic, as we were talking about the sea turtles a while ago. We get to really help them out as well, not just for our leisure as we dive, we also help out the environment.
Yes, absolutely.
Right? So thank you so much for that, Aeropic. And Mr. Armin, thank you so much for joining us. And come check this place out. Let's go and move on to our next group. Scuba enthusiasts. So we're over this way. We have some super cool items here for each and every single one of you. And from Taiwan, Philippines, we've got Big Sur. I have here Miss Jacqueline.
Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline. I'm so excited to be here at the past day.
Yes, and I just wanted to know, what is your brand with the sustainable and health lifestyle?
Okay, so this is actually a product that truly reflects harmony of healthy, simplicity, and sustainability. So this way is a patented product with a design, and you can freely adjust the repeating time up to 4 hours just by adjusting the knob in the back. And with this device, you can actually take a 1 to 2 seconds. Just simply press like this. So as you can see, now it's time to take it.
It's the dependent one.
Yes. So this one is dependent for 4 hours.
And to be honest, they say that a glass of wine a day is good for your heart, right? But don't drink too much. Drink responsibly. Drink responsibly.
So this one is and then every once you finish your glass, you can just simply put it on the 0 hours and then you can taste it.
After I work, I'll come back to you. We don't want to be working with a little bit of a buzz, right? So, thank you very much for that. And then we're going
You can have over here and try this one. How can change the way to enjoy the wine in just 2 seconds. Thank you.
Thank you. Just 2 seconds. Victoria, it's also good for your heart. Sometimes just 1 glass. All right. Thank you so much to Miss Jacqueline. Now we are moving on to our next product. Let's move on to our next partner, Staria. And now with Mr. Steve Chen. Thanks for joining us. Nice to meet you. And you have a very interesting product. This is very, very tied to health and wellness. I would like to know how it relates to Lohas. Can you share it with our friends here?
Actually, this is the world's first body composition and major bone test, which means after today, you don't have to go to the hospital to measure your bone density. You just like sitting on a scale at home, and your family members can measure together, and our app can track the record to keep the progress, and so we can help you generate health dashboard for your family.
Yeah, it's also good, I guess, at tracking your BMI, as I was saying. Of course, where you check to see, like for me as a bodybuilder, right, I need to have like an understanding if I have too much body fat or body muscle mass, which this can actually track as well, right?
Yes.
So it's a very good item to have, especially at home. Bring this with you all. So thank you so much, Mr. Steve Chen. And now let's move on right along to the next part of the program. This is Johnson Anytime Fitness. Listen, I'm actually a brand ambassador for you. I work out at Anytime Fitness every day, Monday to Friday. And this is good. Anyway, so with us is Miss Anne Constantino. So obviously I know who you are. So we want to know as to how it is relevant to health and sustainability of Florida's growth.
Easy, convenient, and also we admire how long it moves and making sure that it's easy and convenient. Just like Thomas, our campaign is also making sure that health is available for anyone, anytime, anywhere.
24/7 at any time, David. So thank you very much for all you do. And moving right along, let's move on to the last thing this time. Now we move on to JK Fitness. And this time we have Miss Sky Pichai with us today. I've heard some great things about your brand. I love to run, and I know Kat loves to run as well. So can you tell us more about why or how this relates to health and sustainability for the Lohas brand?
Okay, so let me introduce you to one of our premium models. This is the JK Aero Work 897. So what makes this treadmill unique is that it's not just a treadmill, but it's actually built as a workout station. So it has this laptop design, so you can switch from workout mode to desk mode. So you just place your laptop here, and then while walking or jogging, you can work or attend virtual meetings. So this treadmill is actually the perfect solution for people with busy lifestyle, because especially those who spend a lot of time working at home while they still want to but they still want to take care of their fitness.
Yes, that is so important. Again, it's also great to see that you can raise it for people who are a little bit taller, like Catriona and her heels. Don't walk down. Well,
Try if you want.
no, but you can actually go like this and work, but also keep healthy and be in that shape that you always want to be, that great figure. So it's also a fantastic thing to take home. I mean, I wouldn't mind checking this out later as well. I'm looking for a nice treadmill for the house, right? So thank you very much, Miss Sky. Thank you. Again, thank you, Miss Sky, Miss Anne Constantino, everyone who came with us today. Steve Chen, Miss Devin Chanel.
Atras tayo.